What's up YouTube, how you doing today? So I've been scrolling through the comments on my videos, trying to find something that's interesting to me to make, and I found something that I think that would be a good idea. It said, please make an Iron Man gauntlet. I got you, man. So, that's what we're doing today. Now, I've been thinking of a way to add some kind of functionality to it, because I always do that. I almost never just make a prop. I always like adding a bit of functionality to my builds. So, what can we add here? I've done a rubber band missile Iron Man gauntlet before, so what can we make that's different from just rubber bands? And that's when I thought, what if it shoots water? It'll use hydraulics to propel the water, like a syringe, like some of my other water builds. Like one of my last videos, the water-shooting Iron Man palm repulsor, which, by the way, you should definitely check out. It's definitely worth a watch. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But anyway, yeah, a water-shooting Iron Man gauntlet, worth a try. So, let's get started. And that is basically it, everyone. I added a few things. So one, the paint is dry, and I added an extra rubber band in the back to keep it, to strap it on my arm some more. I also put duct tape around the hydraulics. You don't need to do this. The only reason why I did this is because there was like a tiny crack in the syringe, and then a tiny crack there, so it kind of messed it up. And the last thing is this, right here. So this is basically just another pad of cardboard, and it just makes it look more accurate and cool looking, I guess. So, yeah. So the way you assemble it is that you just wear this, and then, well, you just wear this part, you wear the glove, and then you wear this on your arm. It's really easy. Wear it. I'm not going to put on the glove right now, but I'm just going to demo how this looks. Looks like that. You'll also be wearing the glove, and this is what you do. So first you have to fill this with water. So what you do is you dip this end in the water and then pull this, and then it should fill up with water. And then what you do is that you slip this into the end of the pen right here, slip it in, and it pops out the other side, like that. There. So yeah. And then, if it's slipping out, you can use this rubber band to sort of hold it in place. And then to fire, you just pull this. There's actually a little bit of water in here, so I'm not going to do it now. But yeah, you just push this, and then water shoots out, and there you go. It's your water shooting Iron Man gauntlet. And when you're wearing this with that, with the glove, then it looks a whole lot better, and it's a really cool build overall. So that's basically it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and consider subscribing if you haven't already subscribed. Check out my other videos. I make a lot of stuff like this. I've made Iron Man themed stuff before. And yeah, thank you. If you have any suggestions for future builds, feel free to comment below. I do listen to you guys as you see this video. And yeah, and also, if you want, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and DM me if you have any suggestions for this build. So yeah, alright everyone, that's it today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the day.